Brian back here with a Casper update. All right, I believe this thing is getting ready to make a move here. Okay, number one thing we don't want to see. Okay, which if you can see it in these charts, is this. Okay, that would be a head and shoulders. All right, we definitely don't want to see that come in here. All right, I don't think that's what this thing's going to do. It looks like it's setting up for a breakout here. All right, we're going to dig into this chart here. First off, I'm going to show you the crypto bubbles. That's on the hourly. We had Bitcoin do a little bit of a breakout, and then it retraced itself there. Okay, on the daily, you can see some RSIs resetting, but on the hourly there, Bitcoin having that small pullback. That's what it does. You know, when Bitcoin pulls back, there you go. Okay, so that's on the hourly, but on the daily, we got a lot of green out there, right? I'm going to show you Bitcoin real quick, and then we'll get right back to this Casper chart, all right? Because I want to show you what I'm talking about here with this thing. Looks like it has come back and retested that 29,500 area right there. This is on the weekly chart. Okay, so I do believe Bitcoin's getting ready to go here. It's just a matter of when it wants to do it. Okay, you can see a resistance line right down through here, right there. Okay, on this thing, them wicks up there. I don't really count them in this. You can see a plain resistance here. It's on the weekly chart. That's as high as it got on the weekly, and that's the low. If we zoom in on the daily here, you can see that line. Now let's get rid of this one here. It's one I was watching earlier. I don't know on my daily resistance lines aren't coming in here very well, but let's see here. Put this right over here. There we go, right. We're right about there. Okay, so we need Bitcoin to break that. Really, it needs to break that 30,000 bucks to get back up into these higher prices. Okay, you can see the thing tapped out right up here at 31,008. We need to flip 31,550 into support. Okay, right there has been the SEC settlement that they wicked it up here to 31.8. We really need to flip 31,550 up here into support. Okay, to get higher prices up here. All right, first off, we need to regain that 30,000 bucks. This is on the daily. If you see the you should pull up the RSIs here and show you that daily RSIs right at the bottom for this thing. We got the 12-hour right at the bottom. Okay, we got the 8 heading up. We got the 4 heading up. This is the stochastic RSIs right here is what we're looking at. All right, we got that 1 hour right at the top here. That's what ended up happening. It broke out of this small wedge on the hourly. Then it just fell right back through and lost it. But it is sucking some of that back up. Okay, but we need to regain that $30,000 area for this thing. All right, let's go back over here to Casper. All right, now what we got going on with this thing looks really good at the moment. All right, we got a fallen wedge forming, which is a bullish pattern. Okay, this thing's building momentum up as it falls. It's getting tighter and tighter. We got the daily RSI turning up here. You can see it. There you go, starting to spin up. We're down to a 39 down here on the regular, so this thing's building up for a breakout. We got the 12-hour RSI way oversold down here on the bottom. It's bullish. You got the 8-hour turning up. It's bullish at a 41 and a 21, and we got the 4 hours getting near the top. All right, but I do believe this thing's getting ready to break out. Okay, it came in and set that low right there, 0.03526. You can see this thing moving as I'm making the video. You can see how low it is down here. It's at a 50. All right, this thing can run way up into the 90s on there. Got that 8-hour. Yeah, you can see a fake out happen right here. But I do believe this breakout's coming for Casper. I mean, these falling wedges, it's like 7 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times these break to the upside. This is a pattern you want to see if you want to see a bullish pattern. So Casper's looking pretty decent. I would keep my eye on that over the weekend. This thing could run up here now and get the breakout. Okay, some areas you want to watch for as far as support and resistance. You want to see it hold that 0.035 right down here. That's a major area you want to see this thing hold. Obviously, the first major resistance is going to come in right about there at 0.036. That's what we're going to need to get the break out of this wedge, 0.0365. You can see it lines right up with our wedge there. Okay, and then after that, you'd be looking up here at 0.0379. Okay, so keep an eye on Casper. I believe this thing's getting ready to make a move this weekend. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.